Alright, this is Dr. Jeremiah again. Welcome back to another episode of the graphic designing course. This is for CANVA users, and I'll be replicating the same design I did of Pixela. Please, if you've not watched the Pixela video, please kindly go ahead and watch it. So if you are able to make use of to see how I'm using those tools on Pixela, it will be easy for you to make use of CANVA also, right? So to easy for you. I won't be doing some kind of introductory class on this CANVA. I'll just be going straight to the design. You understand? Watch that video, see how I'm making use of those tools there, those icons there. So once you are familiar with it, you can make use of CANVA also, right? And one of the challenge of CANVA is that you have to be connected. It uses network service before you can actually design. Now this is the interface for the CANVA design. This is the interface, and then if you check the below, you see something like home, project, that plus sign, template, and pro. So if you click on that project, right, so that's where you see your past, what you've already worked on, on this CANVA. And then for the plus sign, that's where you are going, so you can click on the plus sign, and then the custom size, this thing you are seeing here, click on it. So you have to give your image size, right? Just make use of 1280 by 1280 for your size, and make sure that your unit is in pixel, right? Then click on create new design. You have to wait because it uses network. Wait for it to load, please. Right, it shows this thing. Just this up here, I just drag it down so that it will come up for them. Yeah. So now this is the interface, and then you can see our image size here, right? So 128 by 1280 rather. So now this down, now these are the tools you'll be using for your design. For instance, now this element, this is where you see your shape, your graphics, everything is there. Just walk yourself around it to appreciate what it does. For this text here is when you want to add text on this place, you make use of it. This gallery is when you want to upload something from your gallery to this workspace, and just walk yourself around everything. You see that it's very, very easy. So now moving straight to our design. So I'll make use of this gallery to import the materials we need for the design. So I'll click on this gallery. That's the issue, it uses network. So I will look for where I save the materials. I'll just make use of these two. You can select more than this thing, and then you add to page. So okay, all right, you have this thing now. So this is the design you are replicating, so that's why I bring it to this workspace. And this guy, now you scale it. Go and watch the Pixela video to understand the language I'm using, then put it by this side like this. And then in this place you can lock this. I've already aligned it the way I want it, right? So you can click, you see this thing showing up here, you see this in like comments. This one is you want to duplicate this image, it will give you two. Let me do it. You see, you give me two images, but I don't want that. So now you click it again, you see something like delete, and then this third one, the one that has 3 dots, click on it, and you see select multiple comments, all of that. Click on lock, so that when we are designing it, it will be moving up and down. You understand? So now checking this graphics, now you see one kind of a rectangle under that guy. So let's draw the rectangle. Now I'm going to do that. Click on the element, go to shape, select this square. All right. So now drag it like this, scale it up, and then you give it that color. So if you want to give it that color, see the color here, right? Click on it, and then you see you can give it this one, but it's not the same thing as that one. It's not like that one. But then if you want to get that particular color, you mix of eyedropper or color picker. So you can click on this thing here. Now it's showing multicolor plus plus inside. Click on it. So then you see one pen here. See this pen? Click on it. Then carry this thing is showing up in this circle something into this place where you want to pick the color. Once it's showing that color, click on this done here. You see it has bring the color there, right? Then you now set it, and then if you see it's covering the guy's face, right? And you don't want it to cover the guy's face, so just scroll. You see where you see layers. You see layers here. Click on layers. But before you do that, first unlock this guy. If you don't unlock this guy, you can move this thing down. Let's try it. This 6 dotted something here, you move it. You see, okay, it worked. Actually, it's actually worked. So we've moved it down. You know this guy is up before. Let's do it again. Let me move it up again. Alright, you see it's covering the face now. Now I want to move it down so that it's not be covering the face of that man. You click on this 6 dot something here and put it below that guy. You understand? And then you now adjust it. You adjust it very well. You see, I think we now have something like that. Now you can lock that one too so that it's not moving around. It's not moving around. Click on layers and then I'm coming. Alright, so this guy now, you can see there's another distance at the down, right? Another shape at the down. So you go to your element again, click on this shape, bring it down like this, scale it up. Scale it up. Go and watch the video on Pixel app to understand the language I'm using. And then you bring it down like this, right? So after that, you will see that the guy's clothes is showing under that shape you just draw, right? It's showing there. So how are we going to do that? You just draw like this. You see something like transparency. Yeah, click on this transparency and reduce it. You see it's not showing now, right? Yes, you can leave it like this and then you lock it. Click on these 3 dots and lock it. Now we are done with everything that has to do with objects or shape on this design. Now is the write up. I'll just do the first write up and then I will leave you guys to use the rest as a work. You understand? I don't want the video to get too long. So now you can click on text. This text you are seeing here, click it. Click on add text box. You see it's already showing a paragraph for the text. So and then you write that thinking of how to grow your business. I think I made a mistake. Business. Alright. You can scale it up. Like this. My spelling for this is not correct though. Okay. My 2. I don't know why it's doing like this. Thinking of how to grow your business. Okay. I think I've already written it. Alright. So what we now do, you give it font. See the font here. Click on it. Let's use Montserrat. First, highlight everything. I'm coming. Highlight everything. Select all. So click on this place. Montserrat. Use the this black font, right? And then leave there. So once you do that, you see that there's so much space between the words, right? Click on it. Click on the words again, and then then scroll to where you see spacing. Click on it. You see you have letter spacing. You have I've explained this thing on Pixel app too. There's line spacing and letter spacing. So for the letter spacing is that you want space there. You want space to be between the two letters. You all know English now, but in this regard we don't want that. We want the line spacing, so we want to reduce it so that they will come together. You understand? So that they will come together like this, and then you press, you leave there, and then you come here and scale it up. I'm not still okay with the spacing. Go back to that spacing, line spacing. You can click on that number and write 0.4. Press OK. Okay, I think it can do more than that, yeah. 0.3. No, it can do more than that. This is very sad. Pixel Lab will not do like this, but that's by the way anyway. So now I want to give it the exact color of this guy. Oh boy, let me bring this image you are replicating up so that, let me bring it up. All right, so I want to give it the exact color of this graphics. So now you click on that image and then go to color. See the color here, click it. When you click it, you click on that plus sign, right? And then it will show it, this color picker, right? Pick it, then carry it to this color here until it's showing that red color, and then click done. This done here, so you see that it has taken that color, right? And then you can now adjust it. If you want to twist it like this, you can twist it with this icon here, this one here. You can twist it like this, whatever you want, and all of that. And if you check the background is not that white the way we have it here. You can also click on that background, and then go to color, click on that plus sign, this one, then click on color picker, go to the background of this color to pick this color, then click OK. You see, it has changed the color of that distance to this thing, right? So basically you can do the other write up on your own and maneuver, find your way around it. Yeah, thank you.